everyone, welcome back to my channel.
Today we are going to see what are some recent successes of Make in India. Defense manufacturing. India's defense sector has made significant strides with successful projects like the BrahMos missile and Made in India drones strengthening national security. Pharmaceutical growth. India's pharma industry recorded a 7.8% growth in April 2025, becoming the world's third largest producer by volume and a major supplier of vaccines. Mobile manufacturing. India is now the second largest mobile phone manufacturer, reducing reliance on imports and boosting domestic production. Ease of doing business. Policy reforms like the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code and GST implementation have improved India's global ranking in business competitiveness. Production-linked incentive schemes. These schemes have attracted 1.23 lakh crore in investments, creating 8 lakh jobs across sectors like electronics, automobiles, and pharmaceuticals. Infrastructure development. The PM Gati Shakti initiative is enhancing logistic efficiency, integrating transportation, energy, and communication networks. Defense exports. India has successfully exported Tejas fighter jets, submarines, and artillery systems, showcasing its growing defense manufacturing capabilities. Renewable energy leadership. India is now the fourth largest producer of renewable energy with major investments in solar and wind power. Growth in merchandise exports. India recorded $437 billion in exports in 2024, reflecting its increasing role in global trade. Global Innovation Index. India's focus on high-value manufacturing and R&D has helped it rise 42 spots in the Global Innovation Index since 2015, now ranking 39th. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.